Autumn is a beautiful time of year. Just look at all the colors. There's no better place to take in the beauty of dying foliage than your local state park. With our park system, you can experience nature right in your own backyard. Thanks, Woodrow Wilson. Say, you two look like you're ready to have a nippy time outdoors. Let's go over a few ways to help make sure your time in the park is extra keen. Here's what to wear. Sensible shoes for comfortable hiking. A sturdy pair of slacks for public decency. A bright-colored shirt tells hunters, "Don't shoot! I'm no animal, I'm here to learn." And keep your glasses handy, so you can see all Mother Nature has to offer. Gee whiz! Now you're definitely ready for a trek. Our forests have many fascinating types of plants. Some of them bear fruit this time of year. Always know what it is you're eating. Some fruits are poisonous to humans. I'm afraid it's too late for you. You're a goner. It's important to share with the animals that live in our parks. They eat those fruits too. Be sure to share with the wildlife. Don't disrespect nature. Always leave trails and campsites the way you found them. Do your part to keep our state parks clean. Be sure not to litter. Remember, there's no smoking in the park. Enhance your outdoor experience with Burf Smokeless Chewing Tobacco. Always be aware of your surroundings. Be on the lookout for communists. Ruskies pose a serious threat, and good American citizens like you are all that stands between our great nation and the Red Menace. And it's important to have fun. I'd go out on a limb and say you'll see some unbelievable sights if you branch out at your local state park.